Click on the link below to get price. The high-power dehumidifier by WIT is a game-changer for anyone struggling with excess moisture in their home, particularly in basements where humidity can lead to mold growth and structural damage. With its robust design and impressive performance, this unit is ideal for both residential and industrial applications. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its high extraction capacity. It can effectively remove a significant amount of moisture from the air, making it perfect for larger spaces or particularly damp environments. The unit operates quietly, which is a huge plus if you plan to use it in living areas or bedrooms. The sound level is minimal, allowing for a peaceful environment while it works efficiently in the background. The design of the WIT dehumidifier is user-friendly. It comes equipped with a digital display that shows the current humidity level and allows for easy adjustments. The adjustable humidity settings mean you can customize the operation to meet your specific needs, whether you're looking to maintain a comfortable living space or protect valuable items in a storage area. Another impressive aspect is the auto-stop feature that activates when the water tank is full, preventing overflow and potential water damage. The tank is easy to remove and clean, making maintenance a breeze. Additionally, the unit can be connected to a drainage hose for continuous operation, which is an excellent option for more extensive dehumidification needs. In terms of energy efficiency, the WIT dehumidifier stands out as well. It consumes less power compared to many other models, which is a crucial consideration for long-term use. This efficiency, combined with its effective moisture removal, makes it a cost-effective solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels. Overall, the WIT high-power dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to combat humidity in their home or workspace. Its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and energy efficiency make it a reliable option for maintaining a dry, healthy environment.